Hey guys, I'm Brianna. Welcome to my channel. Today is going to be a car tour of my 2019 Jeep Grand Cherokee Limited 4x2. That I'm going to show you guys is one of my favorite features. This car has remote start. So on the keys, there's a button that you just push twice. And the car starts. This is super useful because in Texas it's really hot and it has black leather. So your car can already be cooled down or heated up. Also, to unlock your car, you can either just push the buttons on your key fob, or if you just grab the handle, it will automatically unlock. And then if you're walking away, you can also just push lock and it will automatically lock. So now I'm just going to show you guys inside the car. So this is what the interior looks like. My car has all black leather and also has black, I think, wood paneling on the inside. So here in your center console, I have a leather shifting knob, 2 cup holders, this compartment right here. I just have chapstick in here right now. It has velvet. I guess you could keep coins or anything else in there. And then in the center part, you have a smaller compartment right here. I have a couple of extra masks in there. And then if you open up the entire compartment, it goes deeper, and there's also a charger in there. And then right here you have another compartment that has a aux cord, 2 USBs, and another car charger. This one, if you connect your phone, it automatically, if you have an iPhone, pulls up Apple CarPlay. So as soon as I plug in my phone, it's connected. Let's not get copyrighted. So Apple CarPlay comes, you can see your maps, music. I'm on Spotify now, and if you get messages while you're driving, that will pop up there. So while we're here, let me just go through some of the features. This is the first time I've ever had a car that has Bluetooth or even an LCD screen. So pretty much you can control everything from here. I have my Sirius XM radio, the regular radio. This is where you can control if you're on Bluetooth or CarPlay. And then here you can control climate. This car also has ventilated seats, which I have on now because it's very hot. You can have heated seats, heated steering wheel. And if you go to settings, this is where you can control everything on your car, from the mirrors and wipers, lights, door locks. You even have engine off options, so I'll talk about eco mode in a bit, but you can pretty much just control everything from there. Then there's also navigation, and if you're driving at nighttime and the screen is too bright, you can just push screen off, and then if you want it back on, you just touch it. The only bad thing is this screen, as you guys can see, gets a lot of fingerprints, so I might buy a screen protector if I'm able to put that on there. And if you don't want to control your climate through here, there's also temperature control. You can put it on auto. And then here is just your volume for your music to tune the radio. So down here, this car has parking assist. So if you're backing up and you're about to hit something, if you have this on, it will automatically stop. Not exactly sure what that is yet. Eco mode, I've been driving with it on. Whenever you're stopped at a red light for a long time, the engine shuts down, and whenever you go, it restarts. Sport mode, haven't tried that yet, and then that's just your traction control. So here is your engine start. If you start the engine when you get in the car, you just hold your foot down on the brake and push this. Whenever you remote start to start driving, once you get in the car, you have to push it again, and then the car will actually be activated. So here's my view from the driver's seat. You just have the regular steering wheel, the nice Jeep, and I have a digital speedometer and all the regular stuff right here. And then this car also has memory seats, and so if you want to save your seat settings, you can do 2 different seat settings. And I believe the passenger side also, nope. So over here is just the regular unlock all the windows, and this is to adjust your side mirrors. Also on the side mirrors have blind spot detection. So if you see that small triangle, if a car is in my blind spot while I'm driving, that lights up yellow. You can also have settings to where it beeps. And then if it's foggy or your mirrors are fogged up, you can also heat your mirrors up to clear out the fog. Over here is my dial to control my headlights. I have my auto headlights on. This car also has daytime running lights, and then there's the parking brake down there, and this is just to open the gas tank. And also just all of the regular cup holder and stuff, and I do have power seats in here. I've never had a car that has power seats before. So up here I have a sunglass holder, and then this is my favorite part of the car that I'm going to show you guys next. So the main reason I got this specific car is for this reason. Look at this sunroof. This car has a dual pane sunroof. Let's put it all the way back. And I specifically got this car for this. It was really hard for me to find this one. It also opens up, but only the front half opens. So this is honestly my favorite part of the car. Of course, right now it's pretty hot outside, but once it cools down and at nighttime and early in the morning to work, I've been rolling with the sunroof down. So this is the back seat, and this back seat has a lot of space. I think 5'8" and I have a lot of leg room. So back here, these seats are also leather, and they also are heated seats. These seats back here are not power seats. You have to push the side handle. And then if you look over here, you're able to control your air conditioner in the back. There's 2 USB plugs. These are to control your heated seats. And look, there is a outlet in the back seat. I don't know why, but whoever sits in my back seat, bring a charger. So other than that, this is the back seat. You guys can see the sunroof goes all the way to the back seat, but this part doesn't open. And then this is a 60-40 split back seat. Oh, there's also cup holders back here. And so this half of the back seat folds down. If I just pull the side handle, and this headrest automatically goes down. This pulls down. This is junk from the dealership. So if you have something really big to fit in your trunk, you can fold this half of the seat down. This is super useful, especially whenever you're moving. If you've ever moved in a small car, it's not fun. So this is the back seat. Now let's just show the trunk. So lastly is the trunk. This is also pretty cool. On the keys, there's a trunk button that if you push it twice, the trunk will automatically open. So if you're carrying a lot of groceries or don't have your hands open, this is super cool. And here's the trunk. So this car came with this safety visor, I guess you would call it, in case you want to keep stuff in your back seat and you don't want people to see. And then underneath here is my spare tire and the jack to do that. There's also in the back seat, there's a plug right there. And then there's hooks to hang up bags or grocery bags so that they don't move while you're driving. And once you're done with the trunk, if your hands are still full, there's a button right here. So you just push the button, and then it takes a couple seconds and it automatically closes. There's also a back windshield wiper, which I need to clean the back of this. And if you guys look back here, you can see these are all the sensors for your parking assistance. So this is the front of the car. I absolutely love this chrome detailing, and there's this cutout part right here. The car is honestly a lot bigger and sits a lot higher than I thought, but this is the perfect car that I've been wanting forever. So this is what the car looks like. It's in the color silver with the all black leather interior. Okay guys, so that is my 2019 Jeep Grand Cherokee Limited 4x2. I cannot believe that this is my car. I've only had it for a little bit over a day now, so I'm still learning some of the features and getting used to it. Before, I was driving a 2011 Nissan Altima, so I'm definitely not used to sitting up this high and driving a car this big, but this is the car that I've been wanting forever. If you guys are subscribed to my channel, thank you guys so much for supporting my channel. I definitely would not be able to get this car if it weren't for you guys on a teacher's salary, so make sure that you are subscribed down below, and I will see you in the next one. Bye, y'all.